Welcome to our new tutorial. So this time what we are going to learn is to create a voting system using Google Form and Google Sheets. So, ang mga gagawin natin ay itong apat na ito. Create a voting system with Google Forms. And then, once na nagawa na natin itong ating voting system sa Google Form, we will sync the form responses to Google Sheets to gather the election return. So doon mapupunta sa Google Sheet yung mga response ng mga user na nag-fill up dun sa form o na bumoto. And then, next, we will create a functions in Google Sheets that will automatically count the number of votes per candidates. So hindi na natin kailangan pang magbilang. So let the Google Sheets automatically count the number habang pumapasok yung election return yung sa Google Sheet, automatically counted yung boto ng bawat candidate. Okay? And then we will create a function that will automatically rank the candidates based on the number of their votes. So yan yung mga gagawin natin dito sa ating series of tutorial. So nasa part 1 pa lang tayo, gagawa muna tayo ng voting system gamit ang Google Forms. Okay. So, balik tayo sa ating browser. And then, bago tayo makagawa ng form, the user should log into his or her Google account. So, kiklik lang natin itong Google Apps icon. At the bottommost part of this menu, nandito makikita natin yung forms. So, then, click lang natin yung forms. And then, it will lead us to this page. So, click blank para makagawa tayo ng blanco form. No? So, lagyan muna natin siya ng title. So, since this is an election system, a voting system, let's name it an SSG or Supreme Student Government Election 2022. Okay. So, ito yung ating title o title ng ating form. So it will automatically detected by this header sa title natin. Okay. So pwede natin palitan yung ating environment by going to customize theme. Itong ating icon na nandito sa taas. Customize theme. And then we set the color to indigo. Yan, para mapalitan. So when we choose, nakikita nyo napapalitan yung kanyang color. So let's say this light blue. So ito, mas maganda, mas light, lamig sa mata. And then this gray. Ayan. Okay, then you can also apply image header dito sa taas ng ating form by using the choose image option. Okay, so mayroon kayong makikita dito mga presets, photos, but you can use your own by uploading your own photo. So, ang gagamitin natin ngayon is the customized photo. So, we go to upload. I-upload natin yung ating photo na gagamitin natin header dito sa ating form. Okay, browse. And then, navigate nyo lang kung saan nandun yung image na gagamitin nyo as a header para sa form. And then, click. And then, open. So, take note that the header should be tingnan natin sa properties at saka sa details ay 1600 by 400. Ito yung size ng header placeholder do sa ating form. So it should be 1600 by 400 pixels. And then click OK and then open. So wait lang natin ma-upload, and then once it finish uploading, click natin yung done. So, depends upon the speed of your internet bago kayo matapos gumawa ng form. So, medyo mabagal mag-upload. So, wait lang natin, and then we will go through this question. Okay? So, in this question, habang hinihintay natin yan dyan, so, close muna natin ito. See. And then continue pa rin. So close natin yan habang nag-hintay natin. So sa untitled question natin, let's put the student ID para ma-identify kung sino yung bumoto using their ID. Student ID. Okay? And then, make it required. Pag sinabi natin required, the user cannot go or cannot pass through another section without answering the field that is required. Okay. And then, put another question by clicking this plus sign o plus button dito sa ating menu. And then, let's put this, let's type in last name. Okay. And then, required. Okay. Now, ang gagawin natin, ang gusto kong mangyari, ang entry ng user should be a capital letter. Restrict. Pag small case letter yung ginamit niya, it will not be valid. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Pupunta tayo dito sa button na yan, and then let's click this response validation. Okay. So, lagyan din natin ang description dito by check the description. So, makikita nyo yung description field, and then type natin must be capitalized. So, para makita ng user na kapag nag-entry sila ng small case letter at hindi tinanggap ng form yung kanilang entry, makikita nila na kailangan nakakapital lang. So, yun yung notification para doon sa ating description. Okay, doon. Dito sa response validation. So, click lang natin yung number. Let's change to regular expression and then contains. It default to contains, although meron pa pamimilian dyan, but what we are going to use is the contains option. And then sa pattern, ipapasok natin yung syntax na magre-restrict ng case sensitivity. Okay, so, open bracket, capital A to Z, ibig sabihin, lahat ng entry ng user should be an alphabet from A to Z, but capitalized. Ayan. Pero kung gusto nyo naman na pwedeng combine capital and small case letter, so you have to put a comma and then another A to Z, which is a small case. So, pero ang kailangan lang natin gamitin ay itong capital letter. So, let's remove that, yung small case A to Z. So, after that, /W. So, para saan itong W na to? So, this W matches any non-word character. So, pwedeng single letter na hindi naman salita ang entry ng user. That can be valid. Because the definition is matches any non-word character or any character that's not a letter. Pwedeng hindi letter. It can be hyphen kasi may mga pangalan na mayroong hyphen sa gitna. Pero wala mang digit. But we can validate it through number or any other character sa ating word, sa kung ano man yung word na ipapasok nila. Okay? So yun yung function ng /W. So let's go back and then add another syntax for S, small s, small s. Yung small s, ang function niyan ay matches any white space character. Kasi mayroong mga pangalan na dalawang word. Let's say, Mark and Christopher. So, dalawang word yon. So, mayroong space sa gitna once you type. Kasi kapag hindi natin isinama itong function na sa syntax, kapag magkahiwalay yung two words, ang pangalan, two or more words, hindi siya mababalidate. Okay? So, ito yung function na allow ng space between words in a phrase. So, kaya natin nilagay yan dyan. And then close bracket. Close bracket. And then plus. So, ano naman yung plus? Function of plus is used just behind the character. Kaya dito, ikinulose natin and then we put a plus sign at the end. To match one or more consecutive character. So, ibig sabihin, magkakasunod na character ay pwede. Let's say, Mark, M-A-R-K. Ayan, 4 na magkakasunod na letter. So, that is the function of this plus sign doon sa ating syntax. Okay? So, ulitin ko, open bracket, capital A to Z, slash W. Ito yung W nito ang magmamatch ng non-word character or any character, letter, digit, or underscore. And then slash small s that match the white space or specify space between words in a phrase, and close bracket plus which matches one or more consecutive character. Okay? So, yan na yun. So, i-copy natin ito. So, select natin yan and then Control C dahil gagamitin natin yan doon sa kasunod na field natin. Okay, so then add another question. Ayan. So, dito naman is the given, first name. First name. So, required. So, required natin. Again, description and then response validation. So, description, type ulit natin must be capitalized. Ayan. Capitalized. May ED. Okay. Next, sa ating response validation, let's change this to regular expression, contains, and then i-paste natin dito yung kinapi natin sa taas kanina. Ayan. Okay. Then, another question. So, question ay middle initial. Ayan. So, middle initial. Okay. So, hindi na natin siya i-record kasi meron mga user na walang hindi gumagamit ng middle initial, lalo na yung mga students na hindi kasala mga magulang. So, instead of using their father's name, so since hindi naman sila married na magulang, so they are using their mother's surname instead. So, hindi na natin siya i-require. Okay? So, but, sa response validation natin, it should be capital, contains this pattern. Okay? So, and then, punta tayo sa another section. Okay, magdadagdag tayo ng another section. So, bago yun, test muna natin yung ating field. So, punta tayo dito sa ating preview. Ayan, tingnan natin. Okay, so, type natin yung sa last name, Ambrosio. So, small case. But, once we go up from that field, makikita natin hindi valid. Kasi small case yung ipinasok ng user. Okay, so let's type capital letter. Ayan, so see, that's valid. Kasi capital letter lahat. Na-restrict natin yun using this syntax. Okay, so close natin. And then let's go to another section, last name, first name, and then middle initial. Okay na. So, section tayo dito. Add section. Itong button na yan. Yung double bar. So, dito sa title section natin, lagyan natin siya ng election ballot. Ballot. Okay. So, bold natin. And then, wait, now yung middle initial ay napunta sa another section. So, i-move natin siya pataas. Okay, dito. Move. Ayan. Sa ilalim ng first name. So, another section to. Kasi itong field na yan ay para sa user information. Okay, dito tayo sa section 2, election ballot. Okay, then, add another question. Dali natin siya sa ilalim nitong section na to. Itong in-insert natin or delete natin yan, and then let's go here sa ating next section, and then let's put a question at the bottom of it. So dito ay president. Okay. So dito tayo magpapasok ng president. So, first name natin sa president ay let's say, Clark. So, this is a fictional lang natin. Hindi tayo gagamit ng mga true to life names. So, Clark Kent, and then the second is Bruce Wayne. Batman versus Superman. Okay, so required. Hindi. So, bakit hindi natin required? Because the voter has the right to vote for the president or not. Pwede siya hindi pumoto sa president, ayaw niya. So, hindi natin siya i-require. So, may karapatan yun. And then, ang kailangan natin is multiple choice rather than checkboxes. Kasi ang multiple choice, once you click the other, isang choice lang ang pwede mong kunin doon sa mga items na nandun sa choices. Pero ang checkbox, when you use checkbox, you can click both. Pero hindi pwede yun, hindi valid. So, hindi valid sa election. So, isa lang ang kailangan president. So, we use the multiple choice option. Okay. So, next, dito tayo. Pwede natin siya lagyan ng picture. Ayan. So, click lang natin yung name ng person, then lagyan natin siya ng picture kung meron kayong picture ng kandidato para at least kita ng mga student kung sino yung binoboto nila. So, let's make example. Add image, browse. You should be at the name. The name should be, your cursor should be at the name field, nung lalagyan natin ng picture. So, dito sa kanan, merong icon na add image. Click natin yung browse, and then we use only the avatar. So, click natin yung one. Wait for the upload. And then, ayan, yun na yung picture. So, this is just an example. We are using just an avatar para doon sa kung meron mang as a substitute for the person kung sino yung candidate. So, let's see. Hindi pa naglo-load yung ating header. Tingnan natin. Medyo matagal. So, i-refresh natin. Press F5. See. Ayan. So, i-load natin ulit. Choose image, upload, browse, click the form header, click open, and wait for the upload. Ayan, then click done. Ayan. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng problems sa ating internet connection. Okay. So, ito na yung ating header. So, see, medyo elegant yung look ng ating election form. Okay. So, Bruce Wayne, lagyan din natin siya ng picture. Browse, and then let's, ayan. Ayan, Bruce Wayne. Okay, then add another question sa ilalim. This is the Vice President. So, multiple choice again. Hindi natin siya i-required. Again, dahil, again, the voter has the right to vote kung sino yung gusto niya o kung ayaw niyang iboto. Alin man doon sa dalawa. Okay. Natasha, first one, Natasha Romano. Okay. The Black Widow. Second one is Tony Stark. Iron Man. Ilagyan natin ng avatar. So, si Natasha ay babae. And si Tony Stark, we use the male avatar. Okay. So, next is another section. Dito tayo. Should be, select mo na natin yung field na to. Once we click yan, it will automatically put the bottom. Kasi kanina hindi tayo nakaselect. So, kung saan pumupunta yung ating ini-insert na section na question. So, click natin to. Click, and then click doon. Ayan, this is the senators. Okay. So, dito ang gagamitin natin ay checkboxes instead of multiple choice. Kasi ang ating senators ay meron tayo 24, let's say for example, 24 yung candidates niya. At ang kukunin lang natin na mananalo ay 12. So, we can choose multiple candidates. Kaya checkbox ang ginamit natin. Okay. So, let's say Barry Allen, and then Bruce Wayne. Yeah, so you can also insert a picture. So, paulit-ulit nyo lang gawin yan hanggang dito sa pinakang 24 na. Para maging mas maganda yung ating form. So may nakikitang picture yung ating mga voters. Wait, Bruce Wayne. Bruce Wayne was a candidate presidency. So palitan natin ito. Bruce Banner ay si Bruce Banner, si Hawk. Okay, Clint Barton. So diretso lang, paulit-ulit lang gagawin. Okay, now we are done uploading all the pictures and putting all the candidates' names. Ang gagawin naman natin ay i-require natin siya. Kasi kapag hindi natin siya ni-required at wala pinindot ang voter, so wala siyang binoto. Diba? Kasi kung hindi naman siya bumoto dito sa dalawang higher position, the President and Vice President, at tapos wala rin naman siyang pinili dito sa Senators, then hindi siya bumoto. Ano? So, i-require natin yan. Okay, then, lagyan natin siya ng response validation. So, select at least. Select at least, select at most, or select exactly. So, pag select exactly, so, ibig sabihin, 12 lang dapat. Kung lalagyan natin ng 12 yan dito, 12 dapat yung iboboto niya. Paano kung may student na hindi naman gustong iboto yung iba? So, they can choose any number within 1 to 12. Ano? So, select at most, dapat. Ano? Pag at least kasi, pwede lumampas ng 12. Kasi ito yung minimum value that we can set. Ano? Select at least 12. Pwede lumampas siya maging 13, which is not valid. Ano? Kasi 12 lang dapat ang magiging ipipiliin niyan dapat senador. Okay, so dapat is select at most. Ano? So select at most 12. So pwede bumaba sa 12 pero hindi pwede lumampas sa 12. Okay? So pwede natin siya lagyan ng custom error text. Once na nag-click siya, pwede natin siya lagyan, you can only choose 12 candidates for this position. For this position. Ayan. So, once we've done, so, gagawin natin ay i-sync natin siya doon sa Google Sheet. So, pupunta tayo sa responses dito sa tab na nasa taas. Tapos na tayo sa questions and then we will go to responses. So, may nakikita natin yung Excel icon dito. This is a spreadsheet or Google Sheet icon. Okay? So, accepting responses, kapag in-off natin siya, pag nag-fill up ang user, hindi siya makapag-fill up. Kasi, the form doesn't accept any responses. So, ginagamit lang ito kapag i-close nyo na yung election. Or any other form na ginawa nyo para hindi na siya makapag-accept ng any response. So, close nyo na. Okay, so dito, since bago pa lang, so we will accept responses. Then, click natin yung spreadsheet icon. Ayan. Create a new spreadsheet. And then, SSG election 2022. So, wala pa tayong existing spreadsheet para doon sa response. So, we will create a new spreadsheet para doon sa election return. And then, click create. Okay. So, mag-automatically open yung Google Sheet. So, dito papasok lahat ng response o election return ng mga voter na nag-fill up doon sa election form. Okay. So, close natin yan. And then sa settings, sa responses, under responses, we can collapse or expand down. So, allow response editing. So, no, hindi natin siya i-on. Limit to one response. So, isang beses lang pwede bumoto, kaya ito ay dapat naka-on. Limit to one response. Okay? And then, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-login uli o nag-fill up uli ng form, yung certain voter at nakaboto na siya, so hindi na tatanggapin ng form yung kanyang pangalawang voting attempt. Kasi naka-limit lang siya sa isang response. Okay, so let's preview that in this preview button. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. So, student ID, let's say 2022-0402. And then, yan. Ambrosio Mark Christopher B. Sino ba itong lalaking ito? Middle initial, let's say B. Ayan, isa lang. And then next, ayan, President. Ayan, see? So, si Clark Kent. Gusto ko. And then si Tony Stark. And then Senators, Barry Allen. So we can see, we choose a checkbox here rather than multiple choice. Kasi sa multiple choice, when we click a certain and then click another, so dito mapupunta yung activation ng radio button. Ito yung radio button. Okay. So we can click again, the user can click again to abort his or her vote para dito sa position na yan. Okay, so dito naman, ang ginamit natin is checkbox para magkaroon tayo ng multiple choice. So pwede, kahit magkalabang partido, pwede niyang i-vote. So 6, ilan tayo? 1, 5 na, 6, 7, let's say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then when we click this, see, you can only choose 12 candidates for this position. So ito yung restriction na ginawa natin kanina. So, nagsobra ng click, naging 30 na. So let's deactivate the button para mawala yung vote para dito sa sobra. Or, kung gusto niya to, magbawas siya na isa doon sa mga nauna. Kasi hindi siya makakalabas dito or hindi siya makakapag-submit if this error message appear. Kasi may restriction. Okay? And then, click lang ng user yung submit button. Once na-click na yung submit, okay, so tingnan natin doon sa ating response. We have responses 1, and then, so, ibubuyo yan sa response sheet ito. Nakapasok siya dito. The timestamp, kung anong oras at anong date nag-vote, o kung nag-fill up, the ID, and then yung mga ibinoto niya. Okay? So, next time ang gagawin natin is to create ito. Ito ang ating gagawin next time. Ito, tatlo. So, pag-iisahin natin yan sa isang tutorial. Okay? So, nagawa na natin yung voting system using Google Forms.